Hello everyone, welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. We have seen that in the general awareness nowadays there is a big changes in the examination. GA is becoming tough day by day. There are one or two reasons behind it. One, if you will observe, most of the questions are from the based on data or numbers. Second important thing is current affairs, they started linking with the banking awareness. So if you are not aware about what is PSL, you will not be able to answer the question based on what are the recent changes in the PSL, because there are statement based question. In the IBPSP upcoming examination, you are going to get the question based on three statements. Statement one will be based on banking awareness, second and third will be based on the current affairs. Means अगर एक क्वेश्चन पीएसएल के ऊपर आया है प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग के ऊपर, तो वो क्या करेंगे, एक स्टेटमेंट रखेंगे व्हाट इज पीएसएल और व्हाट इज द गाइडलाइन ऑफ पीएसएल, कमर्शियल बैंक के लिए पीएसएल क्या है. सेकंड हो जाएगा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक पीएसएल रिसेंटली अपडेटेड फ्रॉम रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम 75% टू 60%, जो आरबीआई ने अभी रिसेंटली अपडेट किया फॉर द स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक इन इंडिया. पहले 75% था, अभी हो गया 60%. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट दे देंगे दैट बेस्ड ऑन द रिसेंट अपडेट ऑफ द पीएसएल for the small and marginal farmer, PSL updated from 8% to 10%. So if you will observe, there will be one statement based on banking awareness. Second and third statement is based on the update in the banking awareness, that is called the updated current affairs, right? So if you are aware about three things, that is you are good in the static banking and then you are updating your current affairs regularly and practicing the high level MCQs for the examination, you will be able to answer it easily. For the convenient purpose, our hustle batch is available on the Guidely, where what you can do is you can come and click over the banking awareness part. Each and every topic in the banking awareness you can cover properly. Don't jump over the PDF directly. Directly PDF के ऊपर jump ना करें. Watch the classes, then revise the PDF. Lots of candidates are doing this. They are directly reading the PDF. Reason is, in the PDF there will be content will be available, but when I am there in the class, I will be able to explain 4-5 additional things always with the concept. So you will be able to get additional knowledge. You will be able to understand the knowledge in a better way when you go through with the classes. So पहले आप classes complete करो. Previously done classes, upcoming classes. These are the upcoming classes. Types of bond, types of bonds which are there in the current update, money market instrument, capital market instrument, financial market MCQs. So ये सारे classes complete करो. Then come over the banking current affairs. So in the current affairs, we have provided the current affairs from January onwards. But now for the upcoming examination, what you can do is January and February you can directly go through with the MCQs. मतलब आप Jan और Feb के सिर्फ MCQs कर लो. You will be able to find the MCQ session separately. जैसे ये है, तो आप डिटेल्ड क्लासेस जैन और फैब की स्किप कर सकते हो. डायरेक्टली आप आ जाओ कहां पर, एमसीक्यूज वाले पार्ट पर. स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ मार्च यू कैन कवर 4 टॉपिक: बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज, आरबीआई सर्कुलर, आरबीआई न्यूज, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम एंड न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. वो भी आपको टॉपिक वाइज मिल जाएगा. स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल यू नीड टू कवर ऑल द करंट अफेयर्स प्रॉपर्ली टिल योर एग्जामिनेशन. बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द बैच इज द कंप्लीट करंट अफेयर्स you have in the form of topic wise monthly current affairs manner, which make it is very easy to prepare and revise. But still my suggestion is go through with the video first, then only revise the PDF. Currently the offer is going on this particular batch. Offer is going to get end tomorrow. 18th of July will be the last day for the offer. Currently the offer price is 699. उसके ऊपर आप जो भी डिस्काउंट वगैरह वहां पर अवेलेबल होगा उसको अप्लाई करना. You will be able to get it at less than 699 rupees, but only till tomorrow. After that the price will be again 999. So all the best from my side for all your upcoming examination, guys. Grab the opportunity of this offer and prepare well. All the best.